Alright guys, we're going to take this piece of maple that I had to cut the edges off of. Somehow I broke it. No, there's no telling, dropped it or something. No telling what happened, but I broke a corner off of it, so we trimmed it down. And we're just going to make a small bowl. It's the only blank I got left. I'm going to have to make my way to the city. But my focus this week has been sitting in the Word and preparing a sermon for tomorrow. So my focus is 100% on the Lord all the time. But I still like to go out and have my fun, but I had to be prepared for tomorrow. So I haven't made my way to the city to get more blanks. So we're going to carve this thing out. It's pretty unlevel, but we'll get it trimmed down, see how big it is once we get it trimmed down. Okay, she's pretty straight. Looks like it's got a knot in it or two. It does right there. I'm going to go down a little bit further. Okay guys, we are carved out and it looks really good. We're going to sand this puppy down. It got a little bit of a high spot right here. When I try to make these bowls, I don't like it curved then straight. It's where you got that line right there. I like it all to look uniform, but I think we can take some 80 grit and sand that puppy down. So that's what we're going to do. Let's sand it down then, and I'll get back with you when the sanding's done and we'll see what's next. Bada boom, bada bing. Looks beautiful. All right, let's get it off here and on the other chuck. guys, we're picking up where we left off yesterday. I ended up having to go take care of some stuff, and so we're just gonna pick right back up, finish this bowl here. It is super cold outside today. I'm in Oklahoma, and it's freezing, like 20 degrees, wind's blowing 40, so there's a wind chill and no telling what it is. But I'm not going to complain too much because everybody north of us and those surrounding areas, east and north, they're getting smashed with snowstorms and stuff, so I'm not going to complain a whole lot. We just gotta smooth it all out. It's as deep as I want to go. It's a little bit less than a 1/4 inch thick. I think we can sand that and make her smooth, or we're going to find out anyway. I will not bore you with the sanding. Again, Mohawk wood turning friction oil, whatever you want to call it. Like a glove, boys. Like a glove. I switched up the bottom a little bit more of a design. There you go. A simple maple wood bowl. This one's deep. I like them like this. Sometimes the shallow ones are good. I got a couple shallow ones in the house that my wife has on the coffee bar that she keeps small things in, stuff like that. She kept some peppermint candy in there on Christmas and stuff, but I like the deep bowls. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Thanks for the comments. Thanks for the tips. I ask you to keep sending those tips because, like I said, I am all about learning. Somebody can teach me how to do something better, I'm going to try it. I'm going to do it. So if there's anything I'm doing that you think I can do better, comment it. I'm not the guy that's going to get all frustrated because I'm the best. I'm going to try it. Just like that guy said, lower your machine, and I did, and it was probably the best thing I've done since I've had it. It's much more comfortable to use and stuff. But thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Throw a comment in there, and I will see you next time.